Alright boys and girls, we're going to try and improve the buggy a little bit. Let's figure out how to balance the tires an untraditional way. So let's get into this. Alright, so tire balance. Fun little deal with this. I actually took the tires down to local big brand tire shops, which hire people that have just got out of school and never really worked on cars, unfortunately. And they could not figure out how in the world to balance this thing. You could static balance it, but they could not figure out how to work the machine, and they couldn't balance it. So typically, you put it on a tire machine, spin it up, and they'll put weights on the inside usually. You know, clamp on weights or stick on weights on a tire to balance it. This thing has a large offset, and the machine is telling them to put weight basically in the center of the rim, which they can't do. Alright, there is a way they could have bubble balanced it, static balance, and did it, but they had no idea how to do it. So after trying several tire shops and getting frustrated with that, I remembered the 4x4 off-road guys have the same problem because the wheels are always offset. They have larger diameter tires and all that. So there is stuff. Now this is the brand that I'm going to use. There's many brands out there, but basically it's little beads that goes in your tire. Okay, and some of these are in a pouch, and you can put it in the pouch in the tire when you're mounting it. Others are like this one, and you'll use a bottle. So you'll take the valve stem out, put this in there, squeeze it all in there, and somehow magically the beads find the out of balance spot and balance the tires. So we're actually going to try this out. I'm going to air all my tires down and put some of this in there, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so we got the tire flattened, got the valve core removed, and we're going to install the little beads. I'm using 8 ounces, which only reason is because the tire shop told me that I was 6.5 out of balance. So I figured 8 would be more than enough. They came in like 4 ounces and other sizes. So I'm going to keep doing this until I get that all gone, and then we'll put it all together and see how it works. Okay, so I'm an idiot. They have a tube, which makes it so much faster. You just let it go in there and squeeze it in. It's working pretty well. Alright, so it probably doesn't show up very well in a video, but I did drive it, and I will say there's a massive improvement in the balance of the tires. It does a little weird thing. Every now and again, I get a little slight vibration and then it goes away. And I do have a little bit of tire slime that was in one of the front tires. And I'm thinking maybe they clumped together, the beads, and it makes a little unbalanced area, and then it goes away. But it's a massive improvement. Before, this thing would shake your hands off the steering wheel, shake it so much it's like driving a jackhammer. So once again, those little beads, you can find them anywhere. They're pretty much on Amazon and eBay and stuff like that. Any brand I guess would work. Some, you know, just read the reviews. I gotta say, it actually worked. It's kind of a little black magic how it works. It finds the unbalanced spot. You would think it would make the unbalanced spot more unbalanced, but it balances it. And I gotta say, it actually works. So boys and girls, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.